Hey everyone, I'm Shane Cromer, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be exploring how to create a men's summer capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is all about having a few versatile, essential pieces that you can mix and match effortlessly. So let's dive into the key items that you'll need to stay stylish this summer. So let's start with some tops. In the summer, you want to have some lightweight and breathable fabrics. So here are some must-haves. Basic t-shirts. You want to go for high quality cotton or linen t-shirts in neutral colors like white, gray, and navy, as these can all be worn on their own or layered. Polo shirts. Polo shirts are a step up from a basic tee and provide a very nice, smart, casual look. Choose classic colors that are neutral and make sure that they fit you well. Short sleeve button downs. These are great for that more polished yet relaxed look. Opt for light fabrics like linen or cotton and try your best to go for solid colors or very subtle patterns. Next up, let's talk about some bottoms. So comfort and breathability are essential here. Chino shorts. Chino shorts are an absolute summer staple. You want to try choosing versatile colors like khaki, navy, olive, and make sure they hit just above the knee for that modern, fresh look. Lightweight trousers for those cooler summer evenings or those more formal occasions. So lightweight chinos or linen trousers are absolutely perfect. Stick to neutral colors for versatility when creating different looks and combining different items from this wardrobe. Swim trunks. It's summer, so of course a nice pair of swimming trunks is going to be absolutely perfect. Opt for a pair that doubles as a casual short, so you can also wear them to the beach bar as well as in the pool. Okay, so footwear is just as important as the clothes, so here's a few options. Okay, so a pair of clean white trainers is super versatile and it's going to go with absolutely everything that you wear. Loafers or espadrilles. These are perfect for that slightly dressier look while still being very comfortable. Again, go for neutral colors that are going to match the rest of your wardrobe. Sandals. Sandals are perfect for those summer outfits. Make sure you find a pair that is good quality and that is comfortable and that again goes well with the other items of clothing that you have chosen. And even though it's summer, you might end up needing a light layer for those cooler evenings. A lightweight jacket such as a bomber jacket or a denim jacket is perfect for those cooler summer nights. Try to stick to versatile colors such as navy or beige that are just going to go really well with everything. Accessories can make a big difference to your outfit. Sunglasses. Nice pair of sunglasses is going to elevate your look, and of course it's summer, you don't want that sun shining in your face. Make sure you choose a classic style that actually suits the shape of your face. And you can always opt for wearing a hat. A hat not only will add style to your outfit, but it also keeps the sun out of your face. A classic baseball cap or a straw hat are perfect options. A lightweight casual watch can add a nice touch to your summer outfit, and a versatile tote bag or backpack is great for carrying all of your possessions. And there you have it. Those are the key pieces that you'll need to create a stylish, functional men's summer capsule wardrobe. Remember, the goal is to keep it simple and versatile so you can mix and match effortlessly. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and toggle that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you on my next video.